Hi there, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk with Tom and Tabby and listen to a story about expected versus unexpected behavior. Tomcat was standing in line at school when his friend hugged him really tight and licked his cheek. Tom did not expect his friend to do this, and it made him have weird thoughts about his friend. Has your friend ever done something that was unexpected? How did it make you feel about them? Take a minute to talk to the adult you're with about this. How was your day today, Tom? Tabby Cat asked. Did you play with your friend? Tomcat replied, No, not today. He hugged me really tight and then he licked my cheek. Tabby Cat looked at Tomcat. She seemed confused. Why would he do that? Tabby Cat asked. I don't know, but after that, I just didn't want to play with him anymore, Tomcat said sadly. I want you to turn and tell the person you're with if you agree with Tomcat's feelings and why. All right, let's see what happens. I guess he was just trying to be funny, but it made me feel annoyed and grossed out, Tomcat continued. Well, maybe tomorrow you can tell him how you feel so that he doesn't do that anymore, Tabby Cat said. Tomcat made a plan to talk to his friend. He hoped that his friend wouldn't do things like that anymore. All right, now it is your turn. Use your own Tom and Tabby to talk about some expected behavior and versus some unexpected behavior and what you can do about it. Have fun, and I'll see you tomorrow.